Hey everyone! Want a simple way to track your spending and manage your budget? Excel makes it easy to keep everything organized. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to track expenses in Excel so you always know where your money is going. So, let's get started. First, create your table headers. Include columns like date, category, description, payment method, and amount. This gives you a clear structure to record each expense. Next, enter a few sample expenses. For example, today's date, groceries for the category, a short description, the payment method, and the amount spent. This helps you test the tracker before adding real data. Now, format your data as a table. Select your range, go to Home Arrow Format as Table, and pick a style. This makes it easy to filter, sort, and automatically expand the table as you add more expenses. To calculate total expenses, type equals sum and select the amount column. Press Enter and Excel will total all your expenses automatically. For deeper insights, use categories. Create a pivot table to sum expenses by category. Go to Insert, then Pivot Table, select your table, and drag category to rows and amount to values. Now you can see which categories are costing you the most. For a visual overview, add a chart. Select your pivot table, go to Insert Arrow Chart, and choose a pie or column chart. This makes it super easy to see where your money is going at a glance, and that's it. With this setup, you can track your expenses and stay on top of your finances using Excel. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.